So today I want to make a device that can steal data from any system with just plugging in a USB dongle. For this task I prepared a little PowerShell script. In the first line the directories to be copied are defined. I defined the folder pictures and documents of the current logged in user. At line 2 the expected drive name is defined. This is the name of the drive inserted to the computer which stores the data. Then the console is cleared. Now the little decoy message that says Windows Update. Then we go into a while loop. Here it tries to get every drive listed where the description name is like the expected drive name and selects the drive letter. If the drive letter matches A to Z, it breaks the loop. Otherwise, it sleeps a second and loops again. Now we iterate over every directory we specified in the dearest variable. Then it selects the path and the name from the dearest variable and it tests if the path exists on the system. If the path exists, it copies that defined path to the USB drive in the folder in the name specified. Then it clears the console and loops again. If every folder is copied, it exits. To execute the script on the target computer, I use a Arduino, and the Arduino uses a script called Duckyscript. First I specified the local keyboard layout to US. Then I wait 600 milliseconds. Then I press Windows R. I wait 100 milliseconds again. I enter PowerShell, press enter, then I wait a second, then I type the script in a minified version. After this I wait 100 milliseconds and press enter. Now I insert my BadUSB to my computer and connect to its Wi-Fi hotspot. I use the Arduino, so the Wi-Fi is called Arduino and the password is the same. I can open the browser, enter the IP address, create a new script, paste the Duckyscript and press save. Enable auto run and close the browser. Now you have to rename a USB drive to the name set in the PowerShell script. So currently my renamed USB device is plugged in and as you see, there's nothing in it. So now I've built myself this little contraption with the BadUSB and the USB storage device. So now I can plug in this USB hub into the USB of the system. And now it goes to work. So it's finished now. Let's look at the folder. Here's the computer name. In here are two defined folders, documents and pictures, and in there are the data from the computer. The documents is a file called passwords.txt with some passwords. In the pictures folder are two pictures. And these are the same files as on the computer. Pictures, these two pictures. Documents, this password document.